but I'll be on it always, always and forever.
Hey girl, period. If you're new here, my name is misalaraine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss an upload. In today's video, I will be installing this wig from UNiceHair. This wig is a 24-inch 7x5 180 density bye knots body wave wig, and I showed y'all the packaging that came with all the goodies, so thank you for that, Unice. This wig came pre-bleached and plucked with baby hair, so I really didn't have to do much to this unit. All I did was curl it to style, and I did want to leave a few clips of me combing out the hair. I should have used a wider tooth comb, but I couldn't find mine. This hair was really full considering it's only 180% density. But yeah, they sent me a medium instead of a small unit, so that's why I couldn't give you guys the full glueless install. My head is so small, so I had to use some spray to hold it down. And yeah, basically I'm just going to put it on, fix it a little bit. I really didn't have to do much, and I curled to style as you saw in the beginning of the video. So I'm just gonna stop talking because this video is super short, and I'll let y'all enjoy the video. Oh, and one more thing before I go. I do apologize for the quality of this video. I moved and I haven't really gotten a chance to fully figure out where I want to record my videos. The lighting was a little bit off, so I'm sorry for that. But nonetheless, the hair came out so good. It holds a curl really well. I appreciate the fact that I really didn't have to do nothing to this wig but style it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be in the description box below. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm getting over this cold. I still got this bad cough, so my bad. But yeah, everything is in the description box below, as well as the link to this wig. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Really take this feel.